How to transfer Solana from crypto.com to Phantom wallet. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can transfer Solana from crypto.com to Phantom wallet. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, we have to set up Phantom wallet. For that, you have to download and install the Phantom wallet application in a mobile device. You can install that from the Google Play Store. After that, simply open up the application. If you're new, you have to create a wallet, but if you already have one, you can simply log in or you will be logged in. Now, once you have opened up the Phantom wallet, you have to click or tap on a receive from this interface or from the home page. Then locate your Solana wallet address. For that, tap on Solana. Here you will find your Solana address. Now you have to copy the address. Simply tap on this copy address button. Once you have copied your Solana address, now you have to open up the crypto.com. So open up crypto.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, and once you're on this page, tap on Share button. After that, find Solana in your assets list. Tap on it, tap Withdraw or Transfer. Now, you have to enter the Phantom wallet address. Choose External Wallet or Withdraw to External Address, and then paste your Phantom wallet address into the recipient field. Confirm the address matches your Phantom wallet. Now, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Review the withdrawal fee. Double check the wallet address to avoid sending Solana to wrong destination. After that, if there is any authentication method, follow the on-screen steps to verify your transaction. You can input the two-factor authentication code or confirm via SMS or email. Then submit the withdrawal request. Now, you have to wait for confirmation, which might take a few minutes to reflect into your Phantom wallet. Check the status in your crypto.com transaction history. Now, in order to verify, open your Phantom wallet and check your Solana balance. If the amount doesn't appear after a while, refresh the wallet or check the transaction ID on a Solana blockchain explorer like SolScan. So in this way, you can transfer Solana from crypto.com to Phantom wallet. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.